Hello guys, I'm going to decorate apron with printed table napkin. Help me do it. For the materials, we need vinyl plastic dish, brush, printed tissue, glue, and scissors for cutting. Cut the design with 1/2 centimeter allowance. Do it slowly because the paper is very soft, easy to tear. We need 2 pieces for the pocket of the apron. Prepare the apron. Insert vinyl plastic inside the pocket and be sure to press it. The napkin has 3 layers. We're going to remove the 2 layers or separate the printed part. Slowly do it. Be sure not to tear the paper. Brush glue and spread on the surface of the apron. Slowly put the napkin and press it with wet tissue. Do it slowly and don't press it hard because the napkin is very thin. So do it step by step. Again, brush glue and press it with the wet tissue until you finish. Brush it around the sides of the napkin to press it. We have to dry it using a hair dryer until the glue becomes transparent. For the coating, we have to brush glue on the top of the decorated paper. Do it slowly. Be sure not to tear the paper. Again, we have to dry the glue until it will become transparent. We will do this step one more time to make sure the pattern is perfectly coated. When it dries up, remove the vinyl plastic and do the same process on the other pocket. The strawberry designed apron is done. Thank you for watching.